Witness the wonders of nature. Hey, welcome back to another J Loyalty video. Oh, I definitely need a. I know, it's dirty.
Okay.
Oh, we could always use this one. We could use this one, but I'm actually gonna use the mini bachelor. The mini bachelor blade. Okay, take it like so. Take this out. Okay, put it on the bottle. On the bottle. Shoot. Put it in. Okay. Okay, now it's in. Put it in like so, lock it. Oh, I forgot to add. Why is it so loud? Didn't bother skinning the apple. Skinning apples. Put the blade back for next time. Hey, we're good. I don't know, I'm just gonna stand the camera and wait. Oh, I better clean up. Oh wait. Oh wait, we didn't finish the intro. Okay, let's finish the intro. Okay, so in clip that I'm about to play now, we went bird, animal. Okay, we're looking for photos of birds, right? Pretty much in the open fields and so on. So make sure to enjoy the video. Thanks for coming back to another J Loyalty. I'll see you guys later. Okay, from the shirt to the pants to the boots. It has come to this. We're going out on a mission into the wilderness to hunt down random creatures. No, not hunt down, don't do that. To witness the wonders of nature. To find any creatures that have not been discovered. I thought we were gonna go there, but it turns out we're just gonna go here. You know, I don't know what's happening. I mean, I do find things that have never been found before.
I thought we were going down that way. This way.
Make our way to I don't even know where. I'll take the photos.
But you see, if we're going to shoot birds, we can't go like this. We have to sneak in and then look for it.
Okay, so now I'm editing the video and I'm just going to show you a clip of some of the bird photos we took from there. I think there were like 3 or something like that. I'll roll the clip now. 3, 2, skip the content. Let's go. Oh, scary. Oh, this line here.
Oh, I've actually never seen this before. Oh, that's where the water goes. Remember when it flooded? This is where the water goes. When it flooded that day.
Oh. The people wanted the dam to be bigger, or like. So what are we doing here? Like, are we waiting for guinea fowls?
No, we're not.
I might as well go camp there.
Camping.
Ah! I'll fall. I have to jump this. It's okay because I'm a
warrior. I have African blood.
Oh. Don't get scared. Look at this maneuver. Look at this maneuver. You're going to see some skills
Over here. I'm going to maneuver myself from there and climb up this slope.
like a jaguar. Let's go. Okay, first attempt. Wait.
Dangerous.
You might get excited and say, they are the people we are looking for.
The what?
The
What?
Python.
What?
Python.
Where?
There are pythons
Where?
around here.
Here.
Snakes.
Here.
Yes, they say the snakes.
Here.
Yes.
No.
Where?
Yeah, I saw that one.
Snakes.
Here.
Yes. Snakes.
Snakes.
Where? What?
I must carry you.
Yes, carry me.
Carry you. No.
Yes, carry me.
Hey, so I'm editing the video and I figured most of you guys would be confused onto what's going on, snakes, what. So basically the security guard, right? As we are looking for birds and everything, he walked past us. And then my mom made a joke about the dog hunting us down, thinking we're criminals, whatnot. And then all of a sudden he told us that there's snakes in the area. So now it's pretty much just for my sister doesn't want to walk because she's scared of snakes. Yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. See you later. No longer 2 kgs. We're like, come.
You use what?
Climb on my back, hold my neck. Hold my neck. Hold my neck. Welcome to the world.
Ah, you're heavy. Pick up the info.
So, I think most of you guys will be curious what the final shots were. So I'm just going to pop them in as we close towards the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Okay, you shouldn't say that now. Anyway, besides that, let's do it.
Thanks for watching another J.
Thanks for watching another J Loyalty video. You've been good. I've been myself. Let's go.